The next part of the project is creating a PubSub class to give this blockchain real-time server-to-server networking capabilities. Now, there are two options as far as PubSub technologies. There's Redis PubSub. So at redis.io/topics/PubSub, you can find information about Redis PubSub. And then there's also this great organization called PubNub, which has real-time networking capabilities through a PubSub service as well. Now, I would recommend trying Redis first. The course was originally recorded using the Redis implementation. It's powerful and has a simple API as far as its PubSub and Node.js code. Plus, you don't need an internet connection as long as you already have Redis downloaded on your machine. It can happen completely locally. But the only downside with Redis is that it can be tricky to set up. Therefore, there's the PubNub option for the PubSub implementation if you want. It's a way quicker setup to do it with PubNub, but you will need an internet connection every time you want to use your PubSub class because it does all the publishes through a network request. Okay, with that said, feel free to skip even trying out the Redis option if PubNub already sounds good to you now. Ultimately, both options are great and get the job done.